Audio Multimedia is Toyota's name for its vehicle entertainment and information platform. With its user-friendly touchscreen interface and advanced connectivity, Audio Multimedia represents the cutting edge of infotainment. Its wide range of features are offered across 3 system levels: the base audio, the mid-tier Audio Plus, and the top-tier Premium Audio. These systems offer audio playback, mobile device connectivity, navigation, apps, and so much more. Let's get to know Toyota's Audio Multimedia a little better. Audio Multimedia's user interface includes a central touchscreen, surrounding buttons, steering wheel controls, and even a microphone for voice recognition. For the most part, the system structure can be understood through 3 key screens: Home, Menu, and Setup. Home is a customizable screen that can present up to 4 tiles of live content. These act like widgets for their respective features, and so tapping them will send them full screen for additional interaction. Once you're done, the system will return to the home screen arrangement after a moment, or you can simply press Home. Menu serves as a more general directory to the system's various features, with buttons that can include audio, phone, apps, and info, as well as setup for system settings. And within this setup area, a vast range of adjustments can be made to features throughout the system. For instance, you can personalize the home screen tile layout, customize audio levels, manage Bluetooth devices, change the clock and language settings, and much more. At their core, Toyota's Audio Multimedia systems are still designed to play audio, including AM, FM, and HD broadcast radio, SiriusXM with a 3-month all-access trial subscription, compatible third-party music apps, Bluetooth or USB playback from a mobile device, and even in-dash CD playback on select models. Regardless of source, audio playback is controlled directly through the Audio Multimedia system controls. And some of the top-tier systems also feature available JBL speaker sets that are tailored to fit the vehicle's exact cabin layout, with a dedicated amplifier and, of course, a subwoofer for extra bass. In addition, every Toyota model offers compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which allows drivers to connect an iPhone and access Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps on the touchscreen. And almost every model also offers Android Auto compatibility, which lets drivers connect an Android device with ease. Plus, Toyota's own Entune 3.0 app suite is now incorporated into the Toyota app, so connected devices can access Audio Multimedia's wide variety of first-party features from a single app. Finally, every Audio Multimedia system comes standard with Bluetooth functionality, so it's easy to connect mobile devices wirelessly for phone calls, music streaming, and more. As the defining feature of the available premium audio system level, dynamic navigation uses real-time data updates to deliver the latest maps, routes, and points of interest. This feature works together with Destination Assist, which connects the vehicle to a 24-hour live operator who can help find a location and send route information straight to the vehicle. But of course, all systems can also access connected navigation apps simply by using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Depending on the system, Audio Multimedia can also include trials to Toyota's range of available connected services, features that work with an external network to open up a wide range of possibilities. For example, Safety Connect keeps the vehicle connected to Toyota's Response Center, providing an automatic collision notification, emergency assistance, roadside assistance, and stolen vehicle locator. And Wi-Fi Connect transforms the vehicle into a Wi-Fi hotspot that allows up to 5 devices to access cellular data simultaneously. Next, Service Connect can send vehicle health reports and alerts to keep both dealer and driver on top of the vehicle's maintenance needs. Finally, Remote Connect lets owners control certain vehicle functions from a mobile device and even set limits for guest drivers. While certain aspects of these features can be adjusted in the setup menu, the Toyota app is the primary method for managing connected services. This also means the vehicle must be registered and linked via the Toyota app to use these services.